The lint screen is located in the door opening of the dryer. A screen blocked by lint can increase drying time. To clean, first, pull the lint screen straight up. Roll the lint off the screen with your fingers. Do not rinse or wash the screen to remove lint. Wet lint is hard to remove. Next, push the lint screen firmly back into place. As needed cleaning. Laundry detergent and fabric softener residue can build up on the lint screen. This buildup can cause longer drying times for your clothes or cause the dryer to stop before your load is completely dry. The screen is probably clogged if lint falls off while the screen is in the dryer. Clean the lint screen with a nylon brush every 6 months or more frequently if it becomes clogged due to a residue buildup. To wash the lint screen, first, roll lint off of the screen with your fingers. Next, wet both sides of the lint screen with hot water. Then, wet a nylon brush with hot water and liquid detergent. Scrub the lint screen with the brush to remove residue buildup. Then rinse the screen with hot water. Thoroughly dry the lint screen with a clean towel. Finally, reinstall the screen in the dryer or lint filter. Clean the HybridCare filter when the light comes on after every 5 cycles. First, open the filter flap at the bottom of the dryer and grab the handle to pull out the filter. Set the filter to the side and pull out lint screen and foam pad on the bottom of the filter. Roll the lint off of the screen and foam pad with fingers and place back into the filter housing. There may be some water in the filter, and this is normal. The light will reset after the filter is cleaned and loaded back into the filter housing. Note, if lint still remains on the screen and foam pad, then wet both sides with hot water. If necessary, wet a nylon brush with hot water and liquid detergent. Scrub the lint screen with the brush to remove the residue buildup. Next, rinse the screen and foam pad with hot water. Then, clean the filter housing and mesh inside with a damp cloth, household vacuum cleaner, or soft brush. Clean the screen at the back of the filter cabinet once a month. Finally, put the lint screen and foam pad back into the filter and put the filter back into the dryer cabinet. The dryer will not operate without the filter, and make sure that the handle is downward to lock in place. LF will display if it is not properly seated.